I love to see when I'm in the streets, people walk up on me and tell me I'm the realest in it.
In the neighborhood? Hello, baby. I see you. They want me to stop and pull my car over and talk to you? In the neighborhood? Nah, man. You want me to stop and pull my bike over and talk to you? In the neighborhood? Nah, man. I got places to go. Things to do. People to see. I gotta get up out of there. Can't pull over and talk. What about you? Bring that all the way back. Hello, beautiful. Light black hair. Terrific. My right is prolific. Specialized track. She said, yeah. What's up, kids? All right. Hello. Hello, brother. See, they can't get #1. Spreading love, man. That's what this is about. True bikers, we out here spreading love. Don't hit my man next to me, bus driver. There you go, you got it. Said I told you so. And now. What's up, guys? Hello, wave to the president. All right, guys. I know. See that guy behind there? Go ahead, baby. Shouldn't be sticking your bike out there like that. Giving me the idea that you're going. Asshole. Act like you got some sense. Act like you see me. Badman on the bike. What's up over there, brother? Okay, new boot, must be a new guy. Oh, I see you over here, baby, peeking. Definitely a new rider. Tell the way he turned that corner. What the hell are you doing out there in the middle of the street, bro? About to get kissed by the bus? Or sister? Need to put my feet on a little bit of a better ground. Don't want to be rolling back so much. We moving and grooving. Well, we moved through the city a little bit, showed you guys around, let everybody know the president's out. All right, my man back here still following me. Yay. What's up, buddy? Big Christmas tree. Somebody put a big tree out. Casual bending the blocks. Check my timepiece. Ooh, nice one, right? I know. Classic. I don't know what you're trying to do, Slick. You ain't getting in front of me. Oh, that's a new truck. I never seen that little car before. Boy, what's up, brother? All right, watch that step now. She's trying to look at me. Watch them curves. Let me check this little card out right here. Oh, it's pedaling. All right, hit the fist. Live Apple Store making big money. Yeet. What's up, brother? All right. Hello, baby. I see you peeking. That one's what's for you. Summertime, all of this be full, man. All of it be full with people. Bars down there on the river. They do ballet shows on the river, live on boat. Shout out to my friend Anna, one of the Berlin ballets.